Okay, hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to make a high quality thumbnail using Capcut on your phone. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into Capcut. Okay, uh, down here on the bottom left hand corner where it says edit, just click on that. And then this blue highlighted button right here in the middle, new project, click on new project. And okay, so you see right here, I have two videos, but we're not going to use videos. We're going to click right over here where it says library, click on that. And these are stock photos. You can click right here and search for some stock photos if you want to do that, or you can choose from different topics. You can choose green screen, but you just click on background, and I'm going to choose this top one right here that's 6 seconds long, the black one in the middle here in between these two white ones, and then just go all the way down to the bottom to the blue button and click on add, and that's going to add this 6-second video to our timeline. And you'll notice down here uh, below our timeline, we can slide the video. If we play the video, it's just going to be, like I say, it's a 6-7 second video if you add the CapCut logo at the end. So let's slide this back to the beginning of the video. Below our timeline, you can add audio, or you can add text, and that's what we want to do. We want to add some text. So there's a couple of different ways you can do that. If you go to these tools down here at the bottom, there's a text button that you can click on. We're going to click on that, and then there's some more tools down here at the bottom. You can click on the add text button again, and it brings up a text box into our video. So right here in this text box is where you add the text. But before we add the text, I'm going to go to this here, and I'm going to click on fonts. And there's some fonts that we can select from. But these blue diamond fonts, I'm in the trial version right now. The blue diamond fonts are for the pro version. I can get the blue diamond ones for free right now because I'm in the trial version, but I'm not going to choose those. You notice that these, the blue diamond ones are really the large print ones, because those are very desirable, because large print are really easy to read on these tiny mobile phones. So modern is a good one, trend is a good one, but like I say, those are not available after the trial version is over. So I'm not going to use those because you wouldn't be able to get them. So let's find a large print one that's not a blue diamond. One like, say, here's one Rubik. That one's not so great. Bungie, that one's pretty good, but I don't like it. I'm going to choose this one, Funny Cute. That one's pretty big, and I like it. Okay, so that's a good font. Now I'm going to go back over to this in the middle, and I'm going to go to Styles, and I'm going to choose a style, one of these styles right here. That's a pretty good style there. Doesn't really pop the eye. Let's see. How about that one there? That pops the eye. So now I'm going to enter some text. Now you can probably see where I'm going with this. I'm recreating the same thumbnail that I used for this video, but you're going to want to stay. You're going to want to stay to the end, because you're going to want to see how I transform this video into a thumbnail, because there's a trick to it, and I'm going to show you how to do that trick. So how to make, and then I hit my arrow, and then my arrow again, free thumbnails, hit my arrow again, with CapCut, exclamation point. Okay. Now, you can also resize it with this the sizer, it's right down here. You see where I'm tapping down here? Right here. See where I'm tapping where it says size? And so I'm going to slide that slider to resize it to make it as large as possible where you can read it. Okay, there. Wait, that didn't. Okay, let me get it. Just, no, too big, too big. All right, right there. All right, great. So now right here, you can click the check mark and save the font. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to save that. All right, great. So now I have a video that has the thumbnail and it has the logo at the end, but that's not going to matter. So so now if I just click play, I have this video, but it's not a thumbnail yet. I need to transform it into a thumbnail. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Go up here to your upper right hand corner where it says export and click export, and that's going to save the video to your phone. Okay, so now what you're going to do next is go ahead. You see right here where it says saved to device. That means the video is on your device now. So the next thing that you want to do is go ahead and click done, and it's going to bring you back to your tools. Now, once you get back to your tools, you're going to go over here and choose this tool right here. I don't know if you can see where I'm clicking, but you're going to choose the capture tool. And that's how you get it transformed into a thumbnail. Click on capture. And now you saw earlier when I was in my videos, I had 2 videos, but now I have this third video, the 7-second video that we just created. So you're going to click on that video and highlight it. And then down here at the bottom, click the blue next button. Click on that, and it's going to bring that video into your capture tool. Now, what you do is you slide the video over to the point where you want to take a picture of the video. Now, you can take a picture of the Capcut logo. You can take a picture of your thumbnail, right? So, or you can take a picture of a blank screen. Wherever in the video that you want to take the picture is where you put the slider. So I want to take a picture of where we made the thumbnail. So you click on the capture button, and then you see right here in this area, it got the capture, and it says right here, frames captured 1 out of 9. So I think you can capture up to nine pictures. So you go up here to export, up here at the top, click export, and it's going to save the picture to your photos. So you click on done, and then you go and you click on your photos, and you'll see now you have a 7-second photo, right? I mean, a 7-second video, but then you also have your thumbnail photo. So you can highlight this 7-second video, and you can trash it because you don't need the video anymore. But now you have your thumbnail, and you can turn your phone to landscape mode and see that you have a high definition thumbnail that you can use to upload to YouTube. If this video helped you out and you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you for watching.